In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add film grain to your videos using CapCut. Whether you're trying to replicate the look of old film stock or just want to give your video a unique texture, adding film grain can make a big difference in the final appearance of your project. So let's get started and walk through this process together. First thing you need to do is import your video into the timeline. To do this, open up CapCut, and you'll see an option to start a new project. Choose that and it'll prompt you to select the video file you want to work with from your device. Once you've selected your video, it'll be added to the timeline where you can make your edits. Having your video in the timeline is important because that's where you'll apply the effects and make adjustments. Now that your video is ready to go, look to the upper left corner of your screen. There, you'll find a bar with several editing options. Click on the one labeled Effects. This is where you can access a variety of different visual enhancements and modifications to add to your video. It's a powerful tool to help customize your video style, so you'll want to familiarize yourself with this section over time. Once you're in the Effects section, it's time to find the film grain effect. There might be quite a few effects to browse through, but don't worry. There's a handy search bar that you can use to quickly locate the film grain effect. Simply type in film grain, and it should pop up for you. Selecting it will apply the initial level of film grain to your video, allowing you to see a preview of how it's going to adjust the visual texture. After applying the film grain effect, you'll want to adjust its intensity to match your creative vision. In the Effects panel, you'll see an option to adjust or control the intensity of the grain. This is where the magic happens. Use the slider to increase or decrease the effect until it complements your video exactly the way you envision it. You can make it subtle or quite pronounced depending on the feel you're aiming for. Experiment with this until you find the level that you're pleased with. And there it is. By following these steps, you've successfully added film grain to your video in CapCut. This effect can add a vintage charm or help convey a specific mood in your productions. Feel free to explore other effects in CapCut and test them out to give your videos a unique flair. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you in your creative projects.